Welcome to today's story, a tale that captures the complexities of love, power, and the moments that change everything. A story that goes beyond the headlines and deep into the unexpected. This is the story of a bold move, a shocking silence, and a turning point that none saw coming. The camera slowly zooms in on the White House, its grand architecture towering over the rest of Washington, D.C. This isn't just the seat of power, this is the backdrop of a deeply personal story. A story about a relationship that has endured public scrutiny, political challenges, and personal sacrifice. A look at Melania's bold move. Melania Trump, the First Lady of the United States, is a woman of grace and mystery. For years, she remained mostly in the background, the silent figure beside her husband, Donald Trump. But deep within, Melania harbored a story that the world didn't know. A story of ambition, of silence, and of waiting for the right moment to break free. But then, something changed. Melania made a decision that no one expected. She took a bold step. A step that shocked everyone, including her own husband. It wasn't a political move, nor was it about gaining attention. It was deeply personal. It was about reclaiming her voice, her dignity, and most of all, her identity. Her move wasn't just about the here and now, it was about the future. A future where she would no longer remain in the shadows of her husband's presidency. It was a decision that would forever change the course of their marriage, their lives, and their legacies. But what drove Melania to make this choice? What was it that pushed her to finally take control of her own destiny? Donald Trump's reaction. For Donald Trump, the news of Melania's bold move hit like a thunderclap. A man who had spent his entire life building an empire, commanding attention, and controlling every situation, now found himself at a loss. The move came out of nowhere, leaving him stunned, unsure of how to respond. Donald Trump, the 45th President of the United States, was never one to shy away from a challenge. He was a man of big gestures, loud words, and powerful decisions. Yet in this moment, he found himself speechless. His wife, the woman he thought he knew better than anyone, had taken a step that was beyond his understanding. He had no words, no strategy, no way to control the situation. This wasn't just about a political misstep or a public scandal. This was about something far more significant, a fracture in their personal relationship. In the quiet of the White House, the silence between them grew louder than any words could have. What led to this silence? What caused the distance between the Trumps to grow so vast? Was it a growing sense of isolation in the face of such public pressure? Or was it something much deeper? Something that neither of them had the courage to face until now. The mysterious move unfolds. To understand why Melania did what she did, we must look back. Look back to the woman who arrived in the United States as a young immigrant, ready to make her own mark on the world. Melania wasn't just the wife of a billionaire businessman. She was a woman with dreams of her own, a woman who had built her own life before ever meeting Donald Trump. Her journey from Slovenia to New York City was filled with challenges that many people could never understand. She navigated the world of high society, fashion, and the media. Yet beneath the polished exterior, Melania carried a quiet pain, a pain that many didn't see. Her life with Donald Trump was one of privilege, but it was also one of sacrifice. She had always been a silent observer in her marriage. There were times when she seemed to disappear entirely into the background, her voice drowned out by the loud presence of her husband. But in the silence, there was a growing sense of loss, a loss of self, a loss of purpose, and perhaps a feeling that she could no longer remain invisible in the shadows of her powerful husband. The silent struggle. While Melania's move was bold, Donald's reaction was perhaps even more shocking. His silence in the face of this unexpected moment spoke volumes. The man who had always been quick to speak, quick to act, was now paralyzed by his wife's decision. In this moment, Donald Trump was not just a political figure. He was a man who had to reckon with the deep, painful reality that his marriage was no longer what it once was. The world had watched them for years, seen their public appearances, their shared moments. and their political partnership. But behind closed doors, things were far from perfect. And now, with Melania's bold move, everything had changed. He didn't know what to do next. The words he once relied on to control every situation now felt empty. What could he say to the woman who had stood by him for so long? How could he possibly fix what had been broken? Breaking the silence. After days of silence, Donald Trump finally spoke. The world held its breath, waiting to hear what he would say. Would he retaliate? Would he accuse Melania of betrayal? Or would he simply remain silent forever? What he said was unexpected. He didn't lash out. He didn't blame anyone. Instead, Donald Trump spoke of love, of loss, and of the deep respect he had for Melania, even in the midst of their crisis. Trump's voice echoes as he speaks softly into the microphone. "I've always believed in strength," he said, "but sometimes strength is found in silence, and sometimes love is stronger than anything else." In that moment, Donald Trump wasn't the president. He wasn't the businessman. He was simply a man who had been changed by the woman he loved. And for the first time, we saw him not as the powerful figure we were used to, but as a human being struggling with his own emotions. The unseen heartbreak. But what the world didn't see, what no one truly understood, was the heartbreak that Melania had carried for so long. This wasn't just about a bold move or a public statement. This was about a woman who had spent years feeling invisible, her voice unheard in the midst of her husband's powerful presence. She wasn't just a first lady. She was a woman who had her own dreams, her own desires, and her own struggles. Yet, as the wife of one of the most famous men in the world, she had to sacrifice her own identity in ways that no one truly understood. Her bold move wasn't a desperate cry for attention. It was a desperate cry for recognition. A new beginning? As the dust settled, one question remained. What happens next? What comes after a moment like this? Will Donald and Melania rebuild their relationship? Or is this the beginning of a new chapter? Whatever happens next, one thing is certain. Their story is far from over. In the end, they are both human. They are both dealing with the complexities of love, loss, and power. The world will continue to watch, wondering what comes next for them, and for their marriage. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey through the lives of Donald and Melania Trump. We hope you found some clarity in their story, a story of power, pain, and love. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the truth.